Looking for a power bank that does it all? I got you. What's up guys, my name is Mario and I do mobile tech accessory reviews so you don't have to. Don't forget guys, you can still win this. Wait till the end of the video. Alright, this is part 2 of 3. We're going to be trying out this little power bank. It's a 10,000 milliamp power bank. It's super thin. Look how nice it is. We're going to give it a shot. Let's go. Here's the charger, the power bank. I'm going to go ahead and charge it. It does charge wirelessly, which is awesome. Right away it came up. That's nice. Okay. And then of course you can use the USB-C port, MFI or lightning cable here, and it will charge. So it's charging. As you can see, it has a charging indicator right here. What if you want to recharge the power bank, since it only comes with the USB-C cable? Good thing is that you already have a lightning to USB-C cable because you have an iPhone 11 or 12 or 13, which is cool. All you gotta do is just carry one cable around, use the lightning in. All you do is plug it in right here. You can use an iPad charger that's 20 watt or any like standard wall adapter that's at least 20 watts. I would use a PD because it's going to be faster that way. And you just plug in the USB-C port right here, and then here I'll show you what it looks like when it's charging. And it's charging. So there you go. All you got to do is have one cable to charge your phone, and the same cable will charge your power bank. Size comparison to this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is the power bank. As far as size comparison, it's fantastic, and you can carry them around with no problems. Alright guys, stay tuned for part 3 for my final thoughts. If you like this product, go check them out at Naztech.com. Use coupon code MMTR25 to get 25% off your purchase. It's currently available for $69.99 at Naztech.com. So like I said at the beginning of the video, you can get a chance to win this 10,000 milliamp power bank. All you gotta do is share this with your friends, and then once we get to 1,000 followers, then we're gonna do a live event and we're gonna pick out from all those people. Don't forget guys to like and follow for more.